Um, Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Concepts of Telecom. Take it easy. So today we are going to discuss different type of diversity techniques and their comparison that are being used in the system right now. So first we will start by there is a technique that is called CISO. Actually, this is not a diversity technique. That is a very simple technique. CISO means single input and single output. Right. So in this, what happens, as the name is suggesting, single input means there is single transmitter and single output means there is a single receiver. Right. So TX1 and RX1. So the disadvantage of this is that there is no redundancy for signaling. Suppose a single wave signal information signal is going on, and if there is a hindrance come in between that, suppose a building, a tree, or some kind of path loss or fading comes, then the signal may get lost. And if we are transmitting here ABCD, so either due to loss we may lose the complete signal or we may lose some information. So we there is no way to retrieve the lost information. So this is the disadvantage of SISO, that is single input single output, right? So to mitigate the multipath propagation, because whenever a wave transmitter transmits a wave that travels through different types, gets reflected from many buildings surfaces, so some information is lost and multipath propagation fading happens in the signal. So to mitigate that effect, there are various type of diversity technique that have been evolved and are being used in the network. So the first technique is RX diversity, right? RX diversity, we also call it single input multiple output, right? Why it is called single input and multiple output? Because there is single transmitter and multiple receiver, TX1, RX1 and RX2. So here what happens, that suppose this transmitter is transmitting a signal, and if it gets reflected, then it may, there is a tree itself, so on various paths, so there is a redundancy at the receiver end, right? So we have a two receiver antenna at receiver end. So if the information is ABCD, and suppose with one path we are able to retrieve the information AB and second path CD, so combining these two information we can get complete signal ABCD. So this is the advantage of RX diversity, right? Then third one is TX diversity, that is called transmission diversity. This is also called MISO. MISO means multiple input, single output, right? So in this, multiple input means there is a diversity at the transmission side, TX1, TX2, and receiver is single, right? So here is also happens that same information is transmitted with the two antennas like this. So in the same way, if some fading happens or some multipath propagation, some information is lost. So suppose this signal is able to transmit AB and this is CD, so we will get ABCD. So in this way, we get diversity at the transmission, redundancy at the transmission side. So this is transmission diversity. In this same information, ABCD and ABCD gets transmitted with both antennas, right? Then third one is MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, right? In this, multiple input means multiple TX1, TX2, RX1, RX2, right? Here different information gets transmitted, A B C D E F G H, right? So here like this. So in this, since different information is getting transmitted, so the throughput gets double, right? Throughput gets double, 2 times. And due to Rx diversity, the robustness of signal also is increased. So this is the advantage of MIMO. So if we will compare all the techniques and their advantages and disadvantages, then this is the technique. So this is SISO, right? In SISO, if we will compare throughput wise, then SINR means signal to noise ratio, meaning signal strength. So throughput, there is no impact in throughput. Throughput remains simple. SINR also, there is no effect on SINR. I mean, if the signal is okay, it's okay, but there is no improvement in throughput and SINR, right? Then transmission diversity. Transmission diversity means MISO. Here there is no improvement in throughput because same type of information is getting transmitted from both antennas. But due to transmission redundancy, SINR is getting improved. Right. Third one is Rx diversity. That is we call SIMO. Here also throughput, there is no impact on throughput improvement. Throughput remains same, but increase in SINR because of diversity at the receiver end. Right. Then MIMO. MIMO improve, throughput is also improved, SINR is also improved because of special multiplexing, double information is getting transmitted at both transmitter antennas, right? So this is the brief comparison and information about all type of diversity that is being used in the network. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment if you like this video, and let me know if you want any video on any specific topic. Thank you very much.